Hey everyone, it's Brian here with the Bigger Better Biz community, where I equip you with the tools and know-how to grow that bigger, better small business. Pardon the casual attire. I'm on my way to my kids' ninja class, so I had to dress up in my Ninja Turtle shirt to support them. But funny story, I wanted to share this with you. I was just at the gas station, just filling up, and I hear this teenager on the phone, and she's calling her dad, and she says, "Dad, I'm at the gas station, and I have the hose in the car, but the gas isn't going." And so I'm sitting there, I'm like, okay, what's going on? You know, you gotta listen to this. This is a good one. This is a cliffhanger. What's happening? So she goes, well, do I pay now before I put the gas in, or do I pay after the gas? And I can just picture my 16-year-old self calling my dad, asking the same question, and my dad just rolling his eyes. But it brought up a good point. Now, obviously, this is her first time filling up gas. It's like a rites of passage, right? It's a coming of age, if you will. So I let the father handle it because I didn't want to interrupt. It sounded like he had it under control. It's one of those memories, right? But the big thing is this, and I've actually probably said this 5 or 6 times in the past 2 days to different people on different webinars, on different classes I was teaching. You have to assume when you're dealing with a customer, a brand new customer, that they know nothing about your business. Just like this girl knew nothing about filling up her gas tank. Absolutely nothing. What comes second place to you? Turning off the car, unbuckling your seatbelt, getting out, pulling out your credit card, inserting it. That's muscle memory, but your first time, did you really understand it? Did you know how the process worked? Was it different? Was it full serve versus self-serve? So I want you to take the story, because it makes me giggle, and I think, man, I'm going to be doing that one day for my kids. Probably going to teach them beforehand so that they're not left stranded at the gas tank. But I want you to think about that from an angle of educating your customers. What are things that might be roadblocks for them, impediments, things where they may not feel comfortable walking into your storefront, buying from your website, calling you, or even asking your staff questions because they don't want to sound ill-informed, ignorant, stubborn. They don't want to come off like they don't know anything, and they don't want to be taken advantage of. So what can you do? Educate them. And I talk about this idea of stories, telling stories, right? And I think for me, it's easy because I'm a storyteller. I get up on stage, I tell stories. That's how you're going to understand technology. It's not by me telling you you're going to do this keystroke and this. You wouldn't remember. You're going to remember the story I tell you. And then you're going to remember the action steps I give you. Well, you can do that too. Tell a story about your product. Tell a story about your service. Educate people. How is it made? What do you do with it? How can you use it? What are the benefits of it? How can they take care of it? What things should they consider before they buy it? The more you educate them, the more information points you give them, the better equipped they are, the more empowered they feel to buy from you. Whether you're a realtor or a massage therapist, or you're selling Keurig K-Cups from a store. Educate your consumer, educate your buyers. The more content you put out there educating them, written, image, and video, the better off you're going to be, the bigger net you're going to cast, and potentially the more business, the more sales, and the more repeat business you're going to drive in, because you're going to be their go-to source for that product or service. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully that girl figured out how to fill up her gas tank, and her dad is now sitting there thinking, man, I really did it. Until next time, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Here's to your success.